This is an educational breakdown of the biology and research behind personal safety tools. Every tool in this video has different legal status in different countries and regions. Some are legal everywhere, others require permits. Some are restricted or prohibited entirely in certain locations. Always check the laws in your specific location before carrying any personal safety tool. This video does not encourage or instruct any form of aggression or violence against any person. Most self-defense advice is built on opinion, what looks impressive in a YouTube video, what sells well in a martial arts store, what sounds dangerous. Almost none of it is built on the actual biology of what these tools do to the human nervous system and what the documented research says about whether they work when it actually matters. I went through the science, the peer-reviewed research, the law enforcement effectiveness data, and I ranked these 10 tools by one criteria only: what the biology says about whether they will actually work on a real person under real stress conditions. The answer is not what most people expect. Number 10, the monkey fist keychain. A weighted metal or paracord ball on a short cord. The physics are real. A small weighted mass at high velocity concentrates force onto a small contact area. Pressure equals force divided by area. Small contact area means higher pressure at the impact point from the same force. On specific nerve-exposed targets, this produces significant pain response and disruption. The biology problem is deployment. Effectively swinging a weighted cord at a specific anatomical target requires precise fine motor control, exactly the skill that degrades first under adrenaline. Research by Siddle documented fine motor skill degradation beginning at heart rates above 115 beats per minute. In a genuine threatening situation, your heart rate will be above 115 before any contact is made. The same adrenaline response that makes the tool feel necessary is the response that makes it hardest to use effectively. Why it works. Force concentration onto small surface area amplifies pressure at impact point. Effective on exposed nerve locations when precision is achievable. Number 9. The tactical pen and Kubotan, a hard cylindrical tool held in the fist that concentrates the force of a strike onto a smaller contact area than the fist alone. The biological principle is nerve compression amplification. Specific anatomical locations have nerves running with minimal soft tissue between skin and nerve. The radial nerve at the lateral forearm, the common perineal at the outer knee, nerve clusters at the jaw and temple region. The Kubotan concentrating force at these locations produces nerve disruption with lower force requirements than an open hand strike to the same point. The research problem is the same as the monkey fist. Precise application to specific anatomical coordinates requires fine motor control that adrenaline degrades. Additionally, the Kubotan must be accessed, gripped correctly, and oriented correctly before deployment. 3 separate motor sequences that each require cognitive steps. The stressed brain processes more slowly. Law enforcement training data shows Kubotan effectiveness drops significantly without specific deployment training under elevated arousal conditions. Why it works. Nerve compression amplification. Hard cylindrical edge concentrates force onto exposed nerve locations. Effective with correct placement. Number 8. The personal alarm rated at 130 decibels or above. Most people think of this as a noise device for attracting attention. The neuroscience shows it does something more specific. Research published in the Journal of Neuroscience documents that sounds above approximately 110 decibels trigger an automatic whole-body startle reflex via subcortical neural pathways, specifically the nucleus reticularis pontis caudalis in the brainstem. The response fires before conscious processing occurs. Involuntary eye closure, forward trunk flexion, shoulder elevation, and interruption of ongoing motor activity. At 130 decibels discharged close to a person's head, this reflex fires automatically regardless of the recipient's intent, pain tolerance, or preparation. The neural pathway bypasses the cortex entirely. There is no conscious override available. Additionally, a sudden 130 decibel sound partially exceeds the protection window of the cochlear reflex. The stapedius and tensor tympani muscles take 25 to 150 milliseconds to engage. The sudden onset produces temporary auditory processing disruption and disorientation. The deployment advantage: 1 button press, 1 gross motor action, 0 fine motor requirement, fully functional under maximum adrenaline. Why it works. Subcortical auditory startle reflex. fires automatically, no conscious override, gross motor deployment, one button under any stress level. Number 7. The High Lumen Tactical Flashlight. The biology behind this tool is one of the most reliable mechanisms on this entire list. The pupillary light reflex is one of the fastest reflexes in the human nervous system. Sudden, high-intensity light hitting the retina triggers iris constriction in 200 to 300 milliseconds with no conscious override. At 1,000 lumens or above in low-light conditions, this can produce temporary vision loss through rhodopsin bleaching, the photopigment responsible for low-light vision. Intense light depletes rhodopsin faster than it can regenerate, causing temporary blindness that can last from several seconds to over a minute in complete darkness. The key advantage is that this mechanism is entirely adrenaline independent. The pupillary reflex and rhodopsin bleaching occur regardless of stress, pain tolerance, intoxication, or mental preparation. The nervous system cannot train around this response, and because most serious street confrontations occur in reduced lighting, this biological effect is often at its strongest when it matters most. Number 6. The walking stick or cane. Unlike many self-defense tools, a walking stick relies on simple gross motor movements like gripping, swinging, and creating distance. Actions that remain reliable even under extreme stress. Its greatest advantage is reach. A standard cane can significantly extend your defensive range, allowing you to react before an attacker gets close enough for physical contact. For many adults, it also offers a unique benefit. It's generally legal to carry, attracts little attention, and serves a legitimate everyday purpose while still providing a practical self-defense option. At number 5 is the personal safety whistle. At number 4 is the stun gun. At number 3 is the combination of a tactical flashlight and a personal alarm. At number 2 is pepper spray, one of the most researched self-defense tools available. Its active ingredient triggers powerful biological reactions, including involuntary eye closure and breathing difficulties. Because it works through reflexes rather than pain alone, it remains effective against many highly aggressive individuals. It also offers the important advantage of distance, allowing a person to respond before physical contact occurs. At number 1 is situational awareness and distance management. Every major study on real-world confrontations points to the same conclusion. The best self-defense tool is recognizing danger before it becomes physical. People who stay aware of their surroundings, spot threats early, and maintain safe distances consistently achieve better outcomes than those relying solely on weapons. Awareness gives you time, options, and the opportunity to avoid the confrontation entirely. That's why it ranks above every other tool on this list. Most self-defense tools are designed to respond after a threat has already developed. Awareness works differently. It helps prevent dangerous situations from escalating in the first place. Research repeatedly shows that early threat recognition provides more opportunities for de-escalation, escape, and seeking assistance. The person who notices danger first usually has more choices than the person who notices it last. In real-world confrontations, that advantage can be more valuable than any weapon you carry. Subscribe, master yourself.